In Microsoft Dynamics SL, users might need to perform complex processes that involve navigating to multiple modules. One example is the closing process. The first step might be to open accounts payable. Then, users might need to run several reports and release any open batches. The same process might also need to be performed for accounts receivable. Then finally, for the general ledger. With Microsoft Dynamics SL, you can create a role-tailored experience just for the employees involved in the closing process. By doing this, you can integrate functionality from different modules in a single location, making it easier for users to perform complex workflows and processes. The Menu Maintenance screen allows companies to create role-tailored menus. Menu groups can be defined for each task that your company performs. In this group list, you can see I've already started to create a closing group. I started by creating several custom groups and loading the screens and reports that are needed for each module. Adding a new screen or report to the menu is as simple as drag and drop. First, let's add the AP release batch process to the role-tailored menu. The batch release process is located under the Process group. Next, let's add the AR release batch process to the role-tailored menu. The batch release process is located under the Process group. Finally, let's add the closing process to the General Ledger closing menu. The closing process is located under the Processes group. You can see how simple it is to add items to the custom menu. Another great feature is the ability to link to other programs from within Microsoft Dynamics SL. I've finished creating the month-end closing menu, so let's load in the menu. The screen provides two features, one to export menus and another to import menus. The XML file contains the definition for the final menu. Let's close the Menu Maintenance screen and take a look at the live menu. Here's what the finished menu looks like to the end user. We can open a specific FRX report. We can also open a specific Excel document. This can be done to record information about the closing process. We can also link to an external site. This can be used to look up information or find answers to questions. Similarly, we can link to an internal site. This lets us do additional research or share information. We can even set up a specific email address for help inquiries. This lets users know who to contact if there is an issue with the month-end process. In addition to the standard closing screens, I've added in several maintenance screens like Customer Maintenance. Sometimes, information about an open batch might be recorded in an internal SharePoint site. The Doc Share feature in Microsoft Dynamics SL allows me to set up a SharePoint site. This site contains AR invoices, but right now, there is only one out there. Let's look at the correspondence around this customer and see why this may be the case. Here's an email that has been uploaded to this site. It states that there is a problem with the customer and that we should not be working with them. Since this is an important issue I need to keep track of, let's use SharePoint's capability to set up alerts to notify me when any new correspondence has been added here. one of my coworkers has created a payroll step-by-step role-tailored menu. They emailed me the file and I already saved it locally. I can open up the menu maintenance screen. Here I can open or create a new group called Payroll. Then I can use the import feature and load the new menu. Let's take a look at the new menu. Adding a new menu can be just that easy. This demonstration has shown you how the role-tailored experience in Microsoft Dynamics SL can be customized to meet the needs of individual users. This makes it easier and more efficient for employees to perform common tasks and complete complex processes. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative.